Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk about Sea Ray 2022 310 SLX. What a beautiful boat this is. The color scheme on it's fantastic. It's a great looking, great riding boat. It's powered by the twin Mercury 300s. Really quiet, very little vibration, very powerful, great running boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. Let's back with the motors again. The twin 300s, they're the best in the business. You'll absolutely love them, especially with the performance of the boat. In the back, we've got a nice setup back here. It goes into a nice lounger, so if you want to lay out in sun, it's very comfortable. You can lay back this way. You can put 3 or 4 people this way, and then these will come up. Both of these will come up, and so you can lounge. You can sit just hanging off the back with your feet down here. Really nice setup the way that they did it. And then also, when this boat was made with inboard outboards, that's where the engine goes. So now that we have the outboards, you have gigantic storage. I mean, you can put beach chairs down here, you can put all your toys down here. It's really just fantastic storage, accessible from the back of the boat. To move in, got a wash down, 2 battery chargers right there. Step to get on and off from the gunnel. Got a prep area in here. Got a refrigerator with a freezer. And put a half a bag of ice up and through here. I can't see it. There we go. So you can put a half a bag. So very large setup. You've got a nice corner table that sets in here, so everybody sitting in this area here can use the table, or you take it out like this when you're not using it. You've got opposing seating over here, and then this will spin, so when you're just hanging out, this spins around, and now you've got 360-degree seating. So very comfortable hangout. You can put a lot of people comfortably in here as far as entertaining. You got a phenomenal sound system on this. As we move to the helm area, you got a nice double helm seat, so the captain can have some company up here, which is always nice, not being by yourself. And then you've got the joystick. So the joystick does everything. You can put this boat in any condition, in any slip, it doesn't matter. It's just, the control is fantastic. I absolutely love it myself. Also has the sky hook. I can point the bow at the sunset, and we hop up front and have a glass of wine. You don't even hear the motors running, and it's just a great way to see the sunset. It has auto heading on it, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot, so you just point where you want to go. You hit the button, and it takes you there. So it's really simple. Just a great setup. Let's move over to the head. So you've got the vacuum flush head. It's actually, for a 31-foot boat, it's a pretty big head. You've got the sea deck down on the bottom, so it's comfy in the feet. Here's a sink down there with a window. Get some fresh air if you need it. Then you have the breaker panel right here, so that's just your breakers. So it's convenient, and you're not having to reach underneath. In the bow area, we've got a table that goes up here. You've got very comfortable lounges. This is a double, that's a double, so you can actually, 4 people can lounge. Drink holders all throughout, speakers, very comfortable. And then you've got the windlass as recessed, so it's not on the top, which is out of the way, which is very nice. And the boat just does absolutely, it's the hard top on it's fantastic. It's got a roof that slides open on it. And it's just a great all-around boat. So if you have any questions, we'd like to come see it. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.